And in this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can delete your Genshin Impact account using your phone. So it's pretty simple, but you can't just open Genshin Impact, go on setting and delete account, because there's no such thing as, delete account in Genshin Impact. Once you create your account, the only way to delete is by contacting the staff of Genshin Impact. And how you guys can do that is by sending them email, and to which account you want to send email, I'm going to be showing you that, alright? So follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. First step, you want to open your Gmail, you want to click on compose. Once you click on compose, you want to, write the subject over here, delete account, and over here you want to write this: I want to delete my account because I no longer play this game, so can you help me delete this account? Now after you enter the subject and the thing over here like this, like I want to delete my account because I no longer play this game, so can you help me delete this account? At the top, to whom you want to send this email is to these two parties. Let me enter their name first. You want to send the email to these two parties: Genshin Impact _cs@mihoyo.com, and the other one is Genshin _cm@mihoyo.com. You want to send this email to them. After sending this email, they're going to reply to you. Once they reply to you, they're going to teach you how you guys can delete your account, and you need to provide them all the necessary information they ask you for. And after providing the information, you should be able to delete your Genshin Impact's account. So that's basically how you guys can delete your Genshin Impact account using your phone. Hope you guys were able to understand the video. Since I do not want to delete my account, I'm not going to send them this email over here, but if I wanted to, I would have sent this email. So these are the way. Hope you guys were able to understand the video.